Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Mr. West. I hope you're all well. So today I wanted to revisit the Creative Metallix Bluetooth speaker. Why? Because last year, you'll remember, I dressed up as Santa's love child and I reviewed the speaker in its entirety. Really impressed how this speaker really performs in real life. It's absolutely fantastic for the money. At around about £30, this really does shine. It really is brilliant. And the best thing is there is a special offer at the moment now on the Creative website. This video is not sponsored, it's just something I've noticed in the last couple of days. You can buy 2 of these speakers for just shy of £40. So you're basically getting another one for a tenner. And then you can pair these up in stereo mode. Now I will pick up 2 of these just to showcase how they sound in stereo, but for today's video, I am going to just showcase how it sounds in real life. So I did say in the comment section of the previous video that I would do some real life audio samples of this speaker. So that is what this video is all about today. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to mount the camera quite close to the speaker. That will give you the best indication of how this speaker sounds. Please be assured the sound you hear today is what you would hear if you're sitting in a normal listening location or if you've got the speaker plonked somewhere around the house. It does have some really excellent features as well. So it supports SD cards as well. It's got a built-in music player, so you can then fill that out with up to 200 tracks, including full lossless audio tracks, or FLAC as they're more commonly known. And the built-in music player will play that back with absolutely no problems whatsoever. It's also got 24 hours battery life, or up to 24 hours. That is insane for a portable speaker. And recharging takes just under 2 hours. You can use a power bank, you can use a standard USB plug, or you can use on-the-go recharging if your phone supports it as well. It's a really tremendous little speaker. It's even got a built-in FM radio. Yes, remember FM radio? But the idea behind that is if you don't have a Bluetooth device to hand or your phone's run out of battery and you're waiting for it to recharge, then you can just jam into your favorite station and keep playing the tunes. Really great feature. And also it's got a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack. So if there was iPod Shuffle owners out there, this would be absolutely ideal. Just plug that in and then the speaker will do the rest for you. It's also got this cool rubber foot at the bottom as well, so this helps to keep the speaker secure. If you put it on a surface such as wood or concrete, and it'll stop the vibrations from moving the speaker around as well. So the 3 tracks I've lined up for today's video, I think give the best indication of how this speaker sounds. It may not be to everyone's taste, but I will time code the tracks in the description. I will pin a comment and then you can obviously just skip that way just to hear the next track. So there's 3 tracks. The video is going to be about 9 minutes in length when you listen to the tracks, but the idea is to give you an informed decision on whether this is the speaker for you. I think it's absolutely fantastic. This video is not sponsored in any way. I just really think this is a great little speaker and it is well worth the money at £30. Even better with 2 for just under £40. So I just wanted to revisit this speaker today and just show you, or let you hear just how good this thing is. So I'm going to start the music in a moment. If you've got any questions or any comments about this particular speaker or the video itself, then please leave me a comment in the description and I will do my best to reply as soon as I can. And also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, just to share the love and tell your friends and family about this great little device and also my channel. So thanks very much for watching. I'm going to play the music now. You all have a great day and I will catch you guys later.